Imagine heading out for work or a weekend trip with just one power bank that can keep almost all your devices running. That's the idea behind the JOYROOM PODIX PR70, a new Kickstarter project designed to make portable charging smarter and more convenient. The PR70 focuses on improving the overall charging experience. It packs a 25,000 mAh airline-safe battery and delivers an impressive 240 watts of total output, giving it enough power to charge everything from laptops and tablets to smartphones, cameras, drones, and other everyday gadgets. In fact, it can even charge 2 laptops simultaneously, making it a practical companion for professionals and travelers alike. The power bank comes with 2 built-in USB-C cables, so you won't need to pack extra cords. One is a 70-centimeter retractable cable for added flexibility, while the second is a 32-centimeter cable that doubles as a carrying strap, making it easy to grab and go. Perhaps its most distinctive feature is the dual TFT display system. Whether the power bank is standing upright or lying flat, you can easily check the battery level, charging status, and other key information in both portrait and landscape orientations. It's a small detail, but one that makes everyday charging feel much more intuitive. Designed for workspaces, travel, outdoor adventures, and everything in between, the JOYROOM PODIX PR70 combines high power, practical features, and user-friendly design into one compact package. The project is now live on Kickstarter, where early backers can grab it for a super early bird price of $79.